Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to build a simple Toto app using Google AI Studio in just 1 minute, even if you're a total beginner. First, go to Google AI Studio homepage and sign in. Now you're on the Google AI Studio dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll see options like Home, Playground, Build, Dashboard, and Docs. Today we'll focus on Build. That's where you can turn a simple idea into an app using natural language instructions. Now, type this prompt, build a simple Toto app using React. It should let me add, complete, and delete Totos. Hit run. And the AI will generate all the code for you instantly. Look at that. You get the complete React code with components and styling, all explained. This is the Toto app we built using Google AI Studio. I can add a new task here. Everything was generated using AI. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.